Okay, this video is going to go over how you would create the flower. So to start, you're going to go to File, New, for New Document. Name it your last name, first initial, underscore, flower. Click OK. Now, the way we start is you use the Ellipse tool. And here I'm going to go through it step by step and click on the actual tools instead of using the shortcuts, just so that you see where you're supposed to go. So you're going to create a circle by holding Shift, create a perfect circle. Then you're going to use the same ellipse tool and create a petal. So there's your petal. Once you've created your petal, we want the petal to rotate around the outside circle, this circle that's here. You don't want it to rotate around itself. So we're going to click on the rotate tool, and I'm going to show you the difference. So the wrong way to do this is by just clicking here and clicking option. If you do that and you click copy, it rotates itself around itself. So if you keep doing that, it'll create like a spin wheel looking object, and that's not what we want. What we do want you to do is you click here on this object. You see this little blue center here. You want to move the center to the center of the circle because we want this to rotate around the circle. So you'll go to the center, you'll hold the option key and click on the center of the circle. When you get the rotate box, you are going to put in anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees and then click copy. When you click copy, it copies your flower right next to the petal that's already there. And then you can do Command D all the way around to repeat this, or you can go to Object, Transform, Transform again. Now to create your stem, you're going to click on the ellipse tool till you get the rectangle tool. Draw your rectangle, and this is supposed to be your stem. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to Object, Arrange, Send to Back. Now that is going to appear behind your flower instead of in front of where it was before. Next, we want to go back to the ellipse tool because we're going to create our leaves. So to create our leaves, I'm going to draw an ellipse like the petal. Then we're going to click on the direct selection tool, click the white area, and then you want to go to the very top of this object. You see the handles that are here, and I'll zoom into it for you. So when you zoom in, you can see it a little bit better, and what you do is pull the two handles into the anchor point. And now you have a point at the tip of your leaf. The next thing you want to do is, using the selection tool, click the object and then click rotate. You then rotate this, and then to copy it the easy way, you're going to go to the reflect tool, double click reflect, make sure this says vertical, click copy, and it copies on top. Use the selection tool to select it and move it over.